In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a sticky header in Wix Studio. After successfully logging in into your Wix Studio account and being able to access the dashboard, the first step is to go to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on the drop-down for My Site. Now you just want to make sure that you are on the exact site in which you want to work on, and once that's done, head over to your name, and on the right-hand side, simply click on Edit Site. Now, once you were on your Wix Studio website, to know if you have or not have a sticky header, you just want to simply scroll down. As you can see, when I scroll down, the header at the top does not follow, and in order for you to make it sticky or follow whenever you scroll down, simply click on the header, and on the right hand side, you will see a few options. What you want to do is you want to click on the cog for header scroll settings, and in here you will have 4 options. You can scroll with the site. This means that it would stay at the top. You can freeze, or what you can also do is that the header will disappear or it fades out. To make it sticky, the best way to do it is using freeze. And let's say this will be our scroll setting. Just simply exit out by clicking on the X button at the top right corner. Now, let us try to preview this website. And whenever we try and scroll down, as you can see, the header will also follow. And that's about it. That's how to make sticky header in Wix Studio. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to help you out.